Imagine you are lost in the middle of a forest, with tall trees and paths leading in every direction. All of a sudden you remember you have a compass in your pocket. You pick it up and see that it's pointing in a specific direction. Well, that compass that you have in the middle of a forest is like the leading tone when you are in the middle of a melody. The leading tone is the 7th scale degree of a diatonic scale. It's a special note because it's only a half step below the tonic, the first and most important note of the scale. This close proximity to the tonic creates a strong pull, a magnetic force that draws the melody towards the tonic. It's like a compass that is pointing your way home. In the key of E flat, it's D, just one step away from the tonic E flat. In music, we often talk about tension and resolution. Tension is a sense of instability and anticipation, while resolution is the release of that tension. The leading tone is a powerful tool for creating tension and anticipation in a melody. It creates tension because being so close to the tonic gives you the irresistible urge for resolution. Let's try. But what if we are in a minor key? In minor keys, things get a little more interesting. The natural minor scale doesn't have a leading tone because the 7th scale degree is a whole step below the tonic. This is why it's called subtonic. But if we still want that strong pull towards the tonic, we just need to raise the 7th scale degree by a half step. This creates a harmonic minor scale, which includes the leading tone. So we go from this to this. Let's try. And since the dominant chord contains the leading tone, this is very important in the concept of tonality. If you want to know more about tonality, you can watch the video What's Tonality explained in 2 minutes. Next time you hear a melody, listen for the leading tone and feel its pull towards the tonic. It's a sure sign that the music is heading home.